Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML uniform resource locators. And right here, we are having common URL schemes that you can find easily on the internet. The table below lists some common schemes. First scheme is HTTP, which is the short for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Common web pages, not encrypted. And we are also having HTTPS, which is short for Secure Hypertext Transfer Protocol. As you can see, Secure Hypertext Transfer Protocol, which secure web pages for secure web pages and encrypted. And also we are having FTP. The FTP is for File Transfer Protocol. The FTP is for File Transfer Protocol for downloading or uploading files. And we are also having file. Then the file is for file, a file on your computer. So that's what I want to show you guys right here. So I want you to be aware of this, of all these schemes you are looking right here, you are seeing right here, because they are so important. In the future, we are still going to talk about it because we are coming from the beginner level to the advanced level. Please, I want you to be aware of all these things I'm showing you. So, because we are still going to use them, talk about them very well in our advanced tutorial. So let's just get going gradually. Anwar akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much.